Scottish ex-Colonel Roger Hopkins is the Supreme Commander of the Army of Iwa, 300 miles from the east coast of New Guinea. Once again, we are dealing with a female army, because Iwa is an island composed entirely of women. Enlistment is compulsory for all physically fit girls from 13 to 18 years old. Colonel Hopkins trains them with tiring day and night exercises, with the aim of building up the army of tomorrow. Need I tell you that we're referring to his army of 84 wives, who have given him to date 52 children. Colonel Hopkins is extremely proud of his army and speaks highly of his soldiers' qualifications. Unfortunately, it's not possible to understand a single word he says because Colonel Hopkins is mute. But since in compensation he's also deaf, he continues to move his lips with the conviction of a deaf man who is unaware he has dead batteries in his hearing aid. From what we can see, his troop is certainly voluptuous. They have to be this way because if they're underdeveloped, the Colonel discharges them at their first medical. One can see that Colonel Hopkins is a good Scotsman by the rich variety of his attire. That he's a good colonel goes without question. See with what promptness he obtained a general mobilization at the moment of our departure.